Today I am going to shoot the second video in SHP SH Handlooms because we got lots of love from your side on our previous video. So today I am going to shoot one more video in SHP SH Handlooms. Let's come and meet with Shubham sir. Good morning sir.
Good morning Himanshu.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am awesome sir. And please give a short description and short introduction of today's video.
Himanshu, today we are showing to you and our customers our handloom collection image, Mangalgiri dress materials, Mangalgiri sarees, and many more variety in Mangalgiri collection.
Today we are going to showing our Mangalgiri products, Mangalgiri full range products in which we show the sarees, dress and fabrics also. So let's come on another room, and before starting our video, please do like, share and subscribe to this video and our channel because we do lots of effort to make the video only for you. So don't forget to press the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you friends, and come with me and come with Shubham sir on another.
Himanshu, today we are showing to our customers our handloom fabric collection like that. This is our slub cotton fabrics, and this is our plain cotton heavy quality fabric. This quality is very thick
And colors are so beautiful.
Yeah, this is all available colors, but I have much more colors also in my godown. In each and every color we have minimum to minimum 100 meter quantity every time is ready in my store.
And sir, what is this fabric?
This is handloom South cotton Mangalgiri border fabric. Different designs are come.
And with golden color.
Yeah, golden zari.
Yes sir.
That is
this
golden.
Zari. Please show. Please look. This is zari, golden zari.
Like that fancy border also available.
And this is traditional designs.
This is double Mangalgiri. And Himanshu, we are showing to you Mangalgiri fabric collection. See, this is all Mangalgiri colors. Approx 50 colors is available every time in my shop. See,
Are branded. Lines. And yes customers, you can use these fabrics in kurtis and gents kurtas, shirts, because these are traditional designs and which are very comfortable and suitable in the summer season. And see, these are plain fabrics. Come with us.
many more colors is available in plain fabrics. Approx 50 colors is every time is available, and minimum 1000 each color, 1000 meter each color every time is available in my godown. It's a most selling item, plain Mangalgiri cotton fabric.
And sir, what is the name of this fabric?
Sir, this is pure kalamkari fabric.
Kalamkari. Sir, this is the traditional design.
Yeah, yes Himanshu, this is most traditional. Yes Himanshu.
So our viewers, this is very fashionable in this season and in all seasons because this is traditional, and we have more products in Kalamkari designs like dress materials, like sarees, and we have plain sarees also in Kalamkari variety, and we have also blouse pieces. And as I told you before, we have the blouse pieces also in Mangalgiri variety. So please look the Mangalgiri blouse piece collection.
That is Mangalgiri blouse pieces. In this time, most selling product in blouse pieces.
Pure cotton and handloom quality. And sir, these are also 80 count quality.
No Himanshu, that is 40 by 60 counts quality.
40 by 60.
Pure
count
100%
quality.
cotton. In summer season, it's very fabulous item for the blouse pieces.
Yes.
And most demanding product. And Himanshu, we have lots of more colors also available in that blouse pieces, and many more variety also, like booty, and jacquard blouse and kalamkari blouses, ikkat blouses and mangalgiri and many more varieties available in blouse pieces.
And plain also. And this quality gives a rich look.
Come Himanshu in our dress material room.
Please come and let's see our dress material collection.
Dress material room, full varieties available in handloom collection, cotton dress materials, kalamkari, ikkat.
Sir, please tell us about this dress material.
Himanshu, that is our new creation of kalamkari dress material.
Kalamkari design.
Yeah, that is plain kalamkari bottom dupatta. That is dupatta. Sagar bhaiya, open. That is kalamkari dupatta. Full of traditional prints are available in dupatta.
Designs are too beautiful.
That is dupatta. That is bottom. And that is top.
Top is with
Checks with stripes. That is new creation. And
New
full
creation.
stock is available in Mangalgiri collection. Different colors, design is available in this variety. And that is design of Mangalgiri. 50 plus colors is available in each and every time. Most selling item. And our dupatta quality is very good. That is thick quality of dupatta. That is also only available in SH Handlooms. This
You
is
will
our
get
own creation.
You will get this quality only on SHP and SH Handlooms.
That is colors.
All products are SHP branded products. Green, blue, red, brown and white also.
Himanshu ji, in Mangalgiri dress material, different designs also come. As that is plain Mangalgiri border, and we have also available in my store fancy designs border,
Yes.
like jacquard border
Jacquard.
and Mangalgiri with print design. That is also growing in market. In this time, most popular sale on the Mangalgiri dress materials.
And these are white and black colors are also available in different designs.
That is our cutting boota dress material, handloom jacquard.
Cutting boota.
Yeah, that is new one
New one. And with checks.
with checks,
With tassels.
with touches. This look attractive.
Very attractive.
And Himanshu, one more thing, that is Mangalgiri border dupatta.
Mangalgiri border.
Yeah. In this variety, also 50 plus colors is available.
50 plus.
Yeah. And every time full stock is ready in our store. Full stock.
Sir, have you any dupatta with the booties?
Yes, yes, I'm also available. Please come. I will show to our customers. That is temple border designs top, and dupatta bottom is plain, and dupatta full booty design.
Temple border.
Temple border.
Sir, it is your unique creation.
Yeah, yes, Himanshu, that is our unique creation and most demanding product. Very attractive look of dupatta.
This is the booties design.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Pure handloom and
yeah,
cotton.
and many more colors are available in this variety.
Wow, sir.
That is color.
Your products and your creation is very good.
Thank you,
and so
Himanshu.
impressed.
Our
Wow,
main,
sir.
Himanshu, our main motive is that we create new variety every day and serve to our customers, so that our customer also give to me good feedback of our product.
And please contact us for wholesale or bulk quantity on the given number. Place the order on the given number and ask the expert and clear all doubts.
Please come for visit SHV SH Handlooms Vrindavan. That is Himanshu. That is our new creation of double Mangalgiri dress material.
Wow.
Two side of different design Mangalgiri big border.
Golden design.
Yeah, golden design. To attractive look.
And a rich look.
Dupatta open.
With golden tassels also.
4 colors is available in this designs.
Please show all the colors, sir.
And our all of our dress material collection cut is only 2.25 meter. Top bottom dupatta, and all our dupatta quality is very good and thick quality and big size.
All the branded products, and please visit once in our shop, in our store. The address is given below, and the address is SHV SH Handlooms near Gauranagar, Radha Nibas.
Please contact for wholesale and reselling purpose to our WhatsApp number. Full varieties available in dress material, sarees and kurtis and fabrics. Most of fabrics is available like plain, border, stripes, checks, double bean. Full varieties available in ikkat variety, double ikkat variety, and many more varieties available dress material and sarees, batik sarees, linen sarees, kalamkari sarees, and ikkat sarees. Please contact for wholesale purchase to our WhatsApp number.
And for more details and place the order, call on the following number showing on the screen, and follow us on our all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube also, and give a like, share and subscribe also to this video and our channel. And please comment in the comment box on which products you want the next video. We will make the next video only for you, and because we do lots of effort for making the video, so don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video, and we will see you the next time. Till then, stay blessed, stay inspired, and love you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.